to Queen Elizabeth Park. We are getting the 158 bus to Stratford. We are here now. We are looking for these flowers. Ladybird. And oh boy, there's another ladybird. I can see buttercup. I can see almost. Come and have a look at Dandelions are there! Dandelion! Look, I found all these flowers. We're at the London Blossom Garden. But I can't see any blossoms. 33 trees are planted here. Each tree represents a London borough. Let's count all the 33 trees.
Yeah.
I said this tree is Wolford Forest because it's the nicest.
Oh, do you think so?
Yeah.